When you do it right, turmeric releases its color like sunrise in water. If you love real food, gentle routines, and small wins that add up, this is one you'll actually enjoy doing. So grab your spoon, your cup, and your curiosity. Let's fix that cup together. What you'll get here. By the end of this video, you'll know why boiling ruins turmeric's charm, why a single pinch of black pepper matters, how healthy fats help turmeric blend instead of float, how to make it taste creamy or bright depending on your mood, and when to drink it. Morning, night, or whenever you crave calm. You'll also learn the quiet chemistry happening in your cup, how warmth and fat turn simple powder into smooth liquid gold, and how to avoid the grainy mess most people settle for. Everything here is practical, visual, and fast, 2 minutes from start to sip. Once you understand this, you'll never wonder again why your turmeric tea doesn't feel quite right. You'll see it, smell it, and know exactly how to fix it. Why this matters. Turmeric is older than most languages. In Indian kitchens, it was stirred into ghee long before anyone talked about bioavailability. Then the world caught on, but forgot the wisdom. People started boiling powdered turmeric in plain water, thinking hotter meant better. Instead, they lost what made it golden in the first place. Turmeric's bright compound, curcumin, doesn't dissolve in water. It prefers warmth, pepper, and fat. That's why traditional cooks always used oil or milk. Not by accident, but by instinct. So when you brew turmeric the right way, you're not following a trend. You're returning to what worked for generations. It's not a medical trick, it's kitchen rhythm. The perfect temperature water is the foundation. Boiling water shouts, turmeric likes to whisper. Heat 1 cup until it's hot but calm, about 70 to 80 degree, 160, 175 degree verves. When you pour it into your mug, it should steam softly, not hiss. Now add 1 or 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder or 1 teaspoon of finely grated fresh root. Stir slowly. Watch the golden ribbons float, twist, and fade into a warm glow. That's not foam, that's flavor being released. This simple change, warm, not boiling, protects turmeric's aroma, keeps its color bright, and removes that sharp bitterness. From here, every other step feels easier because you started gently. Think of it like brewing tea leaves. Too hot, and you lose the fragrance. Just warm enough, and you release the beauty. The pinch of pepper. Next comes the hero no one talks about, black pepper. You only need a pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon, but that tiny bit changes everything. Inside pepper lives piperine, a natural compound that helps turmeric stay active longer once you drink it. Without it, turmeric passes through too quickly. With it, turmeric lingers, doing what it was meant to do. Drop that pinch in, stir, and watch the shade deepen slightly. It's subtle but powerful. It doesn't make your tea spicy, it makes it complete. Freshly ground pepper smells alive, like warm wood. Too much overpowers the cup, too little disappears. When you find your perfect pinch, the aroma turns balanced, earthy, warm, and inviting. That's when you know you've hit the sweet spot. Add the bridge of fat. Turmeric loves fat. Without it, the powder clumps, floats, and settles in streaks. With it, the whole drink turns silky and gold. Add 1/2 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil, Indian ghee, or extra virgin olive oil. As soon as it melts, the surface glistens like a golden mirror. That's your bridge between spice and flavor. Fat binds the color, smooths the taste, and helps your body use turmeric better. If you prefer plant-based, try oat or almond milk instead. You don't need much. 1/2 teaspoon is enough to turn that cup from watery to wonderful. Every sip now feels rounder, richer, and gently aromatic. That's why every traditional recipe includes fat, not for calories, but for connection. Blend gently. Plus, sip slowly. Now everything's in. Don't rush. Stir slowly and watch the gold move like sunlight underwater. Let it rest for about 30 seconds. This short pause lets the flavors marry. Smell the steam. Warm, earthy, comforting. Now take your first sip. Notice the layers, the smooth oil, the pepper's soft spark, the deep base of turmeric. If the last sip feels gritty, your water was too cool. If it tastes burnt, it was too hot. Find your middle ground. That's your personal brew zone. Turmeric tea isn't just about drinking, it's about noticing. When you slow down, even 2 minutes in your kitchen can feel like a reset. Join the community. Before we add creative twists, if you enjoy discovering how real foods fit real life, tap subscribe right now. Creative Healthy Tips is where everyday habits become enjoyable routines. No pressure, no perfection, just real food, real simplicity, and stories from around the world. We read every comment. Tell us, which fat do you prefer? Ghee, coconut oil, or olive oil? Your answers guide what we test next, and we might feature your version in an upcoming video. Sharing what works for you helps others try it their own way. That's how this community grows. Customize your golden cup. Now that you know the base, let's make it yours. Your kitchen, your mood, your flavor. Bright morning. Add a squeeze of lemon once it cools a little. It sharpens the color and adds a cheerful tang. Evening. Calm. Replace water with warm milk or oat milk. Stir in cinnamon or ginger for a cozy scent. Sweet comfort. Drizzle in honey or maple syrup after it cools. Never while hot, to keep the flavor smooth. Cold. Refresh. Make it warm first. Chill overnight. Shake before sipping. Golden, iced tea for summer. Festive twist. Cardamom, clove, or nutmeg for aroma. Each version follows one rule: turmeric, pepper, fat, and gentle warmth. From that foundation, creativity is endless. Once you find the version that feels like you, turmeric tea stops being a routine and becomes a little moment of joy. When and how often? So, when's the best time to drink it? Honestly, whenever it feels right. Morning cups feel clean and energizing. Evening cups are soft and grounding. If you're new, try mornings. It's easy to remember and pairs well with breakfast. If you prefer something calming before bed, choose the milk-based version. Have a sensitive stomach? Drink it with a light snack. The real benefit comes from consistency, not the clock. Making it daily turns this small act into a gentle rhythm. Like stretching or breathing before sleep. A minute to prepare, a moment to pause, and a golden sip to remind you that caring for yourself can be this simple. Community questions and answers. Our viewers always ask the best questions. Q. Can I use olive oil instead of coconut oil? A. Absolutely. Olive oil gives a soft, fruity note. Coconut adds sweetness. Both work. Q. I can't handle pepper, what should I do? A. Skip it and keep the fat. You'll still get a smooth, flavorful tea. Q. Fresh root or powder? A. Fresh root is lively and aromatic. Powder blends faster. Alternate depending on what's handy. Q. Can I drink it cold? A. Yes. Brew warm first, then cool. Shake before drinking. Q. Will it stain teeth? A. Rinse afterward. That's all. These questions come from everywhere. Canada, India, the Philippines, Italy, proving that good food connects us all. Your curiosity keeps this channel golden. Your 2-minute golden routine. Let's bring it all together. 1 cup warm water, not boiling. Half teaspoon turmeric powder or 1 teaspoon fresh root. Tiny pinch black pepper. Half teaspoon healthy fat. Coconut, ghee, or olive oil. Stir, rest, sip, slowly. Optional. Ginger for warmth, cinnamon for comfort, lemon for brightness, honey for sweetness. That's it. It takes less time than scrolling a feed but fills your cup with color and calm. Every swirl is a reminder that wellness can be simple, enjoyable, and made from what you already have. You don't need expensive products, just attention and care. Small, real steps like this add up to something beautiful over time. Inatik ki onso and nachuk abr, and that's how you stop wasting turmeric and start brewing it the right way. Simple steps, bright color, everyday comfort. If this helped you, tap like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves natural kitchen ideas. Your support helps Creative Healthy Tips grow and stay free for everyone. Watch next, how to make golden milk at night, a creamy twist that pairs perfectly with this routine. Or explore how broccoli sprouts support your body's natural defense system. Every video brings you closer to a healthier, calmer kitchen life. For educational and lifestyle purposes only. Thank you for watching, and for making your everyday wellness a real golden habit.